Property tax is a municipal tax on the property owned by any person. It's the annual or semi annual charge levied by a local government and paid by the owners of real estate within its jurisdiction. Property tax is a primary source of revenue for local municipal bodies or urban local bodies. The funds generated through property tax contribute to the development and maintenance of civic amenities and infrastructure in the local area. Property taxes are used to fund a variety of public services, including schools, police and fire departments, public transportation, and parks and recreational facilities. In addition, property taxes may be used to fund local infrastructure projects such as roads and bridges. Property tax is an ad valorem tax, meaning the amount owed is a percentage of the assessed value of the real estate. It's also characterized as a regressive tax, that is, the same rate of taxation is applied regardless of the taxpayer's income. As a homeowner, it's important to understand your property tax obligations. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Property taxes are an ongoing expense that you will need to budget for each year. Your property tax bill may increase over time as the assessed value of your property increases. If you have a mortgage on your home, your property taxes may be included in your monthly mortgage payment. In this case, your lender will typically set aside a portion of your monthly payment to cover your property tax bill. If you don't have a mortgage on your home, you will be responsible for paying your property taxes directly to your local government. If you believe that your property tax has been overvalued by the local assessor, you may be able to appeal your property tax assessment. This can help you save money on your property tax bill, but it can be a complex process. Property tax in India is mainly calculated in three factors: annual rental value or rateable value ARV, capital value system or CVS, and unit area system or UAS. In the annual rental value, that is ARV, it's a system in which the gross annual rent of the property is fixed by the municipal body and taxes would be levied based on the estimated value. Here is the formula to calculate ARV. Capital value system or CVS is where the market value of the property would be used to estimate the taxes to be paid. Generally, this market value is fixed by the stamp duty department of the area. Mumbai follows this system. Here is the formula used by BMC, Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, to calculate property tax. Unit area system or UAS value is based on the expected returns from the property depending on the location and usage of the property. The Municipal Corporation of Delhi has developed an online calculator to evaluate the property tax. Here is the formula. Interest on property tax is applied to late payments and can lead to fines based on a percentage of the overdue amount. The specific interest rates vary among the states, with some opting to waive the fee, while others impose rates ranging from 5% to 20%, dictated by their unique policies. Property owners should be aware of their state's regulations to avoid potential financial penalties. If you are uncertain about your property's market value or suspect assessment errors, reach out to your local administration for clarification. Examining the tax bill can offer insights into the reasons behind the high tax amount. Seeking assistance from local authorities ensures accurate information and may help address concerns regarding property tax assessments. Failure to pay property taxes may result in penalty charges varying by state. In severe instances, persistent non payment, even after official notice, could lead to imprisonment or stringent government actions against the property owner. It's crucial to address property tax obligations promptly to avoid illegal consequences and ensure compliance with the state regulations. Convents, mosques, charitable institutions, parsonages, churches, and properties used solely for educational, charitable, or religious purposes are exempt from property taxes. This exemption recognizes the societal contributions of such entities and ensures that resources dedicated to these purposes remain directed toward their intended goals without the burden of property taxation. Yes, local property tax must be paid annually. For residential property owners, the local property tax LPT is due on November 1st each year. This recurring obligation ensures consistent funding for local services and infrastructure, and property owners are expected to fulfill this financial responsibility by following the specified deadlines. The responsibility to pay property tax falls on the owner, joint owner, or an individual physically residing on the property. In instances of joint ownership, the primary owner must nominate the joint owner as the designated person responsible for property tax payments. This ensures clarity and accountability in meeting property tax obligations, particularly when multiple individuals share ownership of the property. As property tax serves to be the major source of revenue generation of urban local bodies and municipalities in order to keep intact the basic civic services in the city, it is our prime responsibility to pay tax with full honesty.